Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I am sharing with you 5 quick and easy, delicious dinner ideas. If you need some motivation for some dinner recipes to serve your family, I've got you covered. We have really busy weeknights, so all of my weeknight meals are very simple. I've been using the Crockpot a lot lately, so let me show you these 5 dinners that we are having this week. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new. Let's get cooking. So I'm going to be making ribs in the Crockpot, really easy. So I have my pork baby back ribs, and I'm just going to wrap them into the Crockpot, just keeping it all in one piece. And I'm using this apricot barbecue sauce. You can use whatever your favorite kind of barbecue sauce is. This is so simple. 2 things, just the ribs and the sauce, and it's all you need. So just pouring all of this on, coating the ribs with the barbecue sauce. So I'm going to cook these all day. I'm going to cook them on low for 8 hours, and it just makes these so tender, fall off the bone, absolutely delicious. This was a huge hit with my husband and my boys. They turned out so good, and it does not get any easier than throwing just a rack of ribs in the crock pot. So I absolutely love this. I will be making these definitely on repeat for sure, because they were so tasty and so easy. You know how much I love easy recipes, so this one is the best. They're super hot right now, but I'm going to cut them, and they just literally fall off the bone, and that's exactly how I like my ribs, to just be really tender and just fall right off of the bone. These were so tasty, and like I said, you can use any kind of barbecue sauce that you'd like. You can put some more barbecue sauce on after they're cooked as well when you eat them. But I'm just going to cut them into smaller pieces, and then we will have these for dinner, and they are really good. I'm going to make a salad for this one, and I love salad. I can have salad every day of the week, and Cesar salad is hands down my favorite. So I like to chop up my lettuce right after I get it from the grocery store, prep it, get it ready, store it in my mason jars so it's ready for salads all the time. And I have some grilled chicken and some Parmesan cheese that I'm going to add to this salad. And Caesar salad is my favorite, but I really do love all kinds of salads. But Caesar is definitely my number one. It is my go-to salad that I could eat literally all the time. I'm a big crouton fan, so adding on these seasoned croutons just gives it the crunch and texture that I love. This is my favorite dressing of all time. It is super thick and creamy, but it is my favorite Caesar dressing. I always make sure we have some of this in the fridge. I never want to run out because it is so good. But it feels good to have a salad for dinner at least a couple times a week. Just a nice light dinner. I don't like to eat heavy dinners, so this is just a perfect dinner for any quick weeknights. It's already ready to go. So we're going to be doing smashburgers on our Blackstone griddle. We try and use the Blackstone as much as we can. My husband's really the one that does it, so I have to get it when he has enough time. So we're going to do some smash burgers, and I'm just adding some seasonings to my ground beef. So I have 2 pounds of ground beef because we like to make a lot of these when we make them, and they are really great leftovers. So you can season however you like your hamburgers. You can add in some diced onion if you'd like, and I just use a little onion powder in mine. But I'm going to give this a big mix and get those seasonings into all of this meat. So I'm going to, once they're all mixed, I'm going to roll these into little balls, and then they will be ready for my husband to put on the Blackstone. And my kids, they're always requesting smash burgers. They are hands down one of their favorite meals. So we definitely try and have them every few weeks or so, but they are very easy, very quick, and we love them. So these definitely don't take long to cook, which is really nice. We just smash them down and then flip them over, add some cheese, toast the buns a little bit, and this is a really awesome weeknight dinner because they are really quick. It only takes about 10 minutes to cook these, so I love quick dinners on weeknights. Got a little ketchup on there with the melted cheese, some edamame, super delicious. We do tacos a lot also, and so I have these mini tortilla bowls that are huge hits with my kids. They have a larger size tortilla bowl also. I always make ahead taco meat and freeze it so that it's ready for quick dinners. We have some strawberries to have on the side. So here's my kids. And then I'm using this carb balance tortilla, 5 carbs, 110 calories. My husband and I love these, and I make crunch wraps. So I'm going to make a crunch wrap in the air fryer for my husband and I while the boys have their little tacos. But I cut just about a quarter of a way, and it's going to make 4 sections to add 4 different things. So I love sour cream in these. So I put sour cream in the first spot, and then I'll add in the turkey meat, which I use ground turkey for our taco meat. And so I'm going to add in the ground turkey taco meat. I'll add in some cheese, I'll add in some avocado, and 1 of those in each section. And then I will put this in the air fryer, and they don't take long, 6 to 8 minutes, and everything is really good. Love making these, and low carb with this awesome tortilla. These tortillas are really delicious. I absolutely love them. So I'm going to be making a taco pasta dish in my crock pot, and I love using my crock pot. And so I have my taco meat. I have Better Than Bouillon. I'm going to use 2.5 cups of chicken broth. And my taco meat, like I mentioned earlier, I always pre-make it and freeze it in 1-pound containers. So I'm also going to use a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies in this. And then this is my favorite, this Ultimate Southwest blend. It's corn and peppers and onion and just everything Southwest. So I love this blend. It's so, so good. So 1 cup of the frozen veggies. And I'm going to just give this all a little mix. And then I'm going to cook this. You can either do on high for 4 hours or on low for 8 hours. And then I'm going to add in some noodles once this is all done, and make this really awesome taco pasta. It is very yummy, lots of really good flavors. So I'm going to give this a stir before I add in my noodles. And then I'm using elbow noodles. You can use shells. Any kind of small type pasta works great with this. But I'm going to put that in. I'm going to use a cup of Fiesta blend cheese. You can use cheddar cheese as well if you'd like. And then I'm going to put the lid on and cook this for about 10 to 20 minutes, and you'll want to check it every 10 minutes to see how the noodles are cooking. So the bigger the noodle, the longer this will take to cook, but it will cook all up and it will soak up that extra broth.
And this is really yummy. It's a really big hit in our house. Anything taco related or Southwest related is definitely a favorite of ours. As you can tell, we have tacos a lot, and then taco themed pasta. We do taco casseroles, so we really like tacos. But this is really, really yummy. All right, so the noodles are all cooked really good and super easy. I love Crockpot meals. They are just a breeze, and cleanup is really easy. So definitely always love using the Crockpot. I hope you enjoyed these meals for this week. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you all in my next video. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.